Biotin is the go-to beauty nutrient that experts rely on for radiant skin and robust, healthy hair and nails. Countless individuals experience thinning hair, fatigued skin, and brittle nails, often unaware that a deficiency in biotin might be the underlying issue. No matter how luxurious your creams are, they won't make a difference if your diet lacks this essential vitamin. Enhance your biotin intake naturally by incorporating biotin-rich foods such as eggs, nuts, fish, avocados, sweet potatoes, spinach, mushrooms, whole grains, dairy, seeds, bananas, and broccoli into your diet. Incorporate these into your meals for enduring beauty from the inside out, no pricey supplements required. In this video, we explore the world of biotin-rich foods and present their remarkable benefits for your hair, skin, and nails. If you're just joining us, don't forget to tap that subscribe button. What is biotin and why is it important? Biotin, often referred to as vitamin B7 or vitamin H, is a crucial water-soluble B vitamin that plays an essential role in transforming food into energy while promoting the health of your skin, hair, and nails. This substance serves as a vital coenzyme in the metabolism of fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose, significantly contributing to keratin production, which is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of hair, skin, and nails. Understanding biotin deficiency, key symptoms, and underlying causes. While biotin deficiency is uncommon, it can manifest in specific groups, including individuals with genetic disorders like biotinidase deficiency, those who consume alcohol chronically, or people on long-term medication regimens involving anticonvulsants. Symptoms of a deficiency may include experiencing thinning hair or hair loss, red, scaly rashes appearing around the eyes, nose, and mouth, fragile nails, infections of the skin, tiredness and lack of strength. Symptoms affecting the nervous system can manifest as feelings of depression, a sense of lethargy, and even hallucinations. Benefits of biotin for skin: achieve that radiant glow. Support skin cell renewal. Biotin plays a crucial role in producing fatty acids and collagen, essential for preserving skin elasticity, hydration, and achieving a glowing complexion. Improves texture and tone. Sufficient biotin revitalizes skin cells, minimizing dryness, flakiness, and the visibility of fine lines. Natural protection. Biotin-rich foods are often packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, such as avocados and nuts, providing an extra layer of defense for your skin against oxidative stress while enhancing your radiant glow. Benefits of biotin for hair: enhancing strength and vitality. Boosts keratin production. Biotin plays a crucial role in keratin synthesis, fortifying hair strands, minimizing breakage, and promoting vibrant hair growth. Prevents hair loss. Biotin-rich foods can help prevent hair thinning and loss, especially if you are deficient, leading to fuller, shinier hair. Nourishes scalp health. Biotin-rich foods, such as eggs, salmon, and leafy greens, deliver essential nutrients that promote a healthy scalp, fostering the perfect conditions for hair growth. Benefits of biotin for nails: fortifies nails. Strengthens your nails. Biotin enhances the keratin structure, helping to prevent splitting, peeling, and breaking. Consuming biotin-rich foods regularly can increase nail thickness and promote quicker growth, resulting in stronger, healthier nails. Biotin-rich foods and their beauty benefits. Chicken liver stands out as one of the richest natural sources of biotin, providing an impressive 138 micrograms per 75 gram serving. Regular consumption of chicken liver can help strengthen hair follicles, promote glowing skin, and support robust nail growth. Eggs, whole, cooked. Eggs are a convenient and versatile source of biotin, offering 10 micrograms per whole cooked egg. Biotin in eggs supports the structure of hair, skin, and nails, helping to maintain their health and resilience. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, provide approximately 5 micrograms of biotin per 28 gram serving. Incorporating legumes into your diet can help maintain scalp health, reduce hair loss, and promote a clear complexion. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer about 5 micrograms of biotin per 75 gram serving. Biotin, combined with omega-3 fatty acids, supports scalp health and stimulates hair growth. Regular consumption of fatty fish can improve skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and strengthen nails. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit, supplying 3 to 6 micrograms of biotin per whole avocado. This creamy superfood is renowned for its ability to promote skin elasticity, support hair health, and strengthen nails. Mushrooms provide 2 to 6 micrograms of biotin per serving, making them a valuable addition to a beauty-focused diet. Biotin in mushrooms supports energy metabolism, which is essential for the growth and repair of skin, hair, and nails. Seeds such as sunflower, flax, and chia offer about 2.6 micrograms of biotin per 1/4 cup. Biotin in seeds supports nail strength and skin elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Seeds are also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and minerals, which further promote scalp health and hair growth. Sweet potatoes provide 2.4 micrograms of biotin per 1/2 cup serving. This vibrant root vegetable supports skin radiance and hair health thanks to its biotin and beta-carotene content. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from environmental damage and promote a glowing complexion. Almonds offer 1.5 micrograms of biotin per 1/4 cup, making them a nutritious snack for beauty-conscious individuals. Biotin in almonds helps promote shiny hair, glowing skin, and strong nails. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt provide 1 to 2 micrograms of biotin per serving. Biotin in dairy supports scalp and nail health, helping to maintain strong nails and a healthy scalp. Spinach offers 0.5 micrograms of biotin per 1/2 cup serving. While its biotin content is lower compared to other foods, spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients that support skin hydration and hair nourishment. The recommended adequate intake of biotin is 30 micrograms per day for adults and older, 30 micrograms per day for pregnant women, and 35 micrograms per day for breastfeeding women. In summary, enjoy a delightful diet packed with biotin-rich foods that promote hair growth, enhance your skin's glow, and strengthen your nails, all while savoring every bite. Focus on incorporating natural sources of biotin, such as eggs, nuts, seeds, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, mushrooms, and fish, into your diet to fully experience the benefits for your skin, hair, and nails. For most people, a varied, balanced diet is the best way to get biotin naturally and support overall beauty and wellness from within. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more great stuff and to motivate me. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.